Our journey through Korea continues. We've just experienced the natural wonders of Jeju Island. Now let's dive into the heart of Seoul. Our destination, the vibrant and historic Gwangjang Market. This market is a feast for the senses. Get ready to be amazed by its sights, sounds, and smells. It's a place where history comes alive. It's a place where you can taste the soul of Korean cuisine. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the energy of this incredible market. Let's explore its history, its food, and its vibrant culture. Gwangjang Market isn't just any market. It's a living, breathing piece of Korean history, a place where the past and present coexist in a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells. It's Korea's very first permanent market, a pioneering establishment that set the stage for the bustling marketplaces we see today. Established in 1905, it has witnessed over a century of Korean history. From the Japanese occupation to the Korean War, and through the rapid modernization of the late 20th century, Gwangjang Market has stood as a silent witness to the nation's trials and triumphs. It has seen periods of great change and growth. The market evolved from a simple trading post to a bustling hub of commerce, adapting to the needs of each era while retaining its unique charm. It has also endured through challenging times. During the Korean War, the market served as a crucial supply point, providing essential goods to those in need. Despite the hardships, the spirit of the market never waned. The market gets its name from the two bridges it stands between, Gwanggyo, which means wide bridge, and Jangkyo, which means long bridge. These bridges were vital in connecting different parts of the city, making the market easily accessible to everyone. This strategic location made it a central hub for commerce. Traders from all over the country would come here to sell their goods, making it a melting pot of cultures and traditions. It has always been a place where people come together to buy, sell, and share stories. The market is not just about transactions, it's about human connections, a place where relationships are built and memories are made. Today, Gwangjang Market thrives as a testament to Korean resilience. It has transformed into a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering a unique blend of traditional and modern experiences. It's a symbol of the country's ability to preserve tradition while embracing the future. The market continues to evolve, incorporating new trends and ideas while staying true to its roots. Gwangjang Market is more than just a place to shop. It's a living museum, a cultural landmark, and a testament to the enduring spirit of Korea. Stepping into Gwangjang Market is an experience like no other. The air crackles with energy. The aroma of sizzling food fills the air. The vibrant colors of fresh produce and street food are a feast for the eyes. Listen closely, and you'll hear the sizzle of pancakes frying. You'll hear the clatter of cooking utensils. You'll hear the friendly banter of vendors and shoppers. The market is a maze of narrow alleys. Each one is packed with stalls, selling everything from street food to textiles. Gwangjang Market is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the heart of Seoul. Gwangjang Market is a paradise for food lovers. It's a place where you can sample a wide array of authentic Korean dishes. Get ready for a culinary adventure. From savory pancakes to spicy rice cakes, there's something to tantalize every palate. Don't miss out on the iconic Bindaetteok, a crispy mung bean pancake. Be sure to try the addictive Mayak Kimbap, bite-sized seaweed rolls that are bursting with flavor. And if you're feeling adventurous, try the fiery Taeokbokki, chewy rice cakes coated in a sweet and spicy sauce. Every bite is an explosion of flavor. Section 5. The allure of Bindaetteok, a Gwangjang Market staple. No trip to Gwangjang Market is complete without trying Bindaetteok. This iconic dish is a must-try for anyone visiting the bustling market. The moment you step into the market, the aroma of these savory pancakes fills the air, drawing you in with its irresistible scent. These savory mung bean pancakes are a true market staple. Made from ground mung beans, they are mixed with a variety of ingredients like vegetables, meat, and sometimes seafood, creating a rich and flavorful batter. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and utterly irresistible. The contrast between the crunchy exterior and the tender, flavorful interior makes each bite a delightful experience. Watch as vendors expertly ladle batter onto hot griddles. The skill and precision with which they handle the batter is a testament to their experience and dedication to their craft. See them sizzle and turn a beautiful golden brown. The sound of the batter hitting the hot griddle and the sight of the pancakes cooking to perfection is a sensory delight. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. As the pancakes cook, the steam rises, carrying with it the tantalizing scent of mung beans and spices. Bindaetteok is typically served with a dipping sauce. This sauce, often made from soy sauce, vinegar, and a touch of sugar, adds an extra layer of flavor to the already delicious pancakes. This tangy and savory sauce complements the pancake's flavor perfectly. The combination of the crispy pancake and the flavorful dipping sauce creates a harmonious balance that is simply unforgettable. It's a simple dish with a flavor that will keep you coming back for more. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a regular at Gwangjang Market, Bindaetteok is a treat that never gets old. The joy of biting into a freshly made pancake, the burst of flavors, and the vibrant atmosphere of the market all come together to create an experience that is truly special. Section 6. Mayak Kimbap, tiny rolls, big flavors. Mayak Kimbap is another Gwangjang Market favorite. These bite-sized seaweed rolls are small, but mighty in flavor. In fact, Mayak translates to drug, hinting at their addictive nature. These tiny rolls are filled with seasoned rice, vegetables, and often other ingredients like tuna or kimchi. They're seasoned with sesame oil, giving them a rich and nutty flavor. Mayak Kimbap is a perfect snack to enjoy as you wander through the market. Each bite is a burst of flavor and texture. It's no wonder they're known for being addictive. Section 7. Beyond the Bites, exploring the market's cultural tapestry. Gwangjang Market isn't just about the food, it's also a place where you can experience Korean culture firsthand. Venture beyond the food stalls, and you'll find a treasure trove of goods. The market is home to vendors selling everything from traditional hanbok garments to colorful textiles and handcrafted souvenirs. Take your time to browse the stalls. Chat with the friendly vendors. You might even pick up a unique souvenir to take home. Section 8. A glimpse into tradition, hanbok and textiles. One of the most fascinating aspects of Gwangjang Market is its deep connection to Korean tradition. This market, located in the heart of Seoul, is a vibrant hub where the past and present seamlessly blend. As you walk through its bustling aisles, you can feel the pulse of history and culture. This connection is especially evident in the sections dedicated to hanbok and textiles. These areas are not just market stalls, they are living museums showcasing the rich heritage of Korean attire and fabric craftsmanship. Hanbok are traditional Korean garments known for their elegant lines and vibrant colors. Each piece is a work of art, reflecting the meticulous craftsmanship and aesthetic sensibilities of Korean culture. The hanbok's design, with its flowing lines and harmonious color combinations, is both timeless and contemporary. At Gwangjang Market, you can find hanbok for all occasions. Whether you are looking for something to wear on a daily basis, a special ceremony, or even a wedding, the variety is astounding. Each hanbok tells a story, from the choice of fabric to the intricate embroidery. There are hanbok for everyday wear, special ceremonies, and even weddings. The wedding hanbok in particular is a sight to behold, with its luxurious fabrics and detailed patterns symbolizing prosperity and happiness. The textile shops are a feast for the eyes. Walking through these sections, you are greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors and textures. The fabrics on display range from traditional silks to modern blends, each offering a unique tactile experience. Here you can find bolts of silk, satin, and other fabrics in every color imaginable. The variety is not just in color but also in texture and pattern, making it a paradise for anyone interested in textiles. The market stalls are brimming with fabrics that cater to every need, from everyday clothing to special projects. The vendors are knowledgeable and often share stories about the origins and uses of different textiles. It's a great place to find inspiration for your next sewing project. Whether you are a professional designer or a hobbyist, the array of materials available can spark creativity and innovation, or simply admire the beauty of Korean textiles. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors are a testament to the skill and artistry that goes into their creation. Gwangjang Market is not just a place to shop, it's a place to experience the living tradition of Korean culture. Section 9. Gwangjang Market, a timeless fusion of tradition and tastes. Gwangjang Market is more than just a market, it's a living, breathing testament to Korean culture and history. It's a place where the past and present collide in a symphony of sights, sounds, and flavors. If you're looking for an authentic taste of Seoul, Gwangjang Market is a must-visit. It's a place where you can sample delicious street food, immerse yourself in Korean culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So come, explore and discover the heart and soul of Seoul at Gwangjang Market.